feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together, no one can break us apart. For love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. When the night comes in, I'm keeping you
guys. Enjoyable movie, kaya sana mag-enjoy po kayo. Parang may delay yung... Ayun, God bless po sa lahat. Maraming salamat ulit. From forevermore hanggang just the way you are. This is the start pa lang po. Simula pa lang po ng Linsken. At sana sa mga next projects namin na meron na actually. Sana supportan nyo rin po. Maraming salamat. Stay sexy! I love you po! Thank you! Thank you. Alam ko yun. Maganda ka.
Thank you for making time and proud to love and support on social media.
Thank you guys. Sana po may enjoy kayo. Ito na po, just the way you are. Huwag yung kakalimutan, my forever. Huwag yung kakalimutan.
Panood nyo na ba yung opening scene?
Abangan nyo. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, it's hot here. Mas hot po kayo. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. I love you. Thank you.
Just a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me.
What's up, you guys? Stay sexy. The show is starting. The movie is starting.
Maybe just a smile in your heart.
Yes. Special chapters. Tinanong ko sa Liza kung ano yung dream date niya. And dito ko sinulat. If gusto niyo malaman, bili kayo. And national siya.
Opo, national.
Sa loob. Pictures niya.